Base Chain is the perfect platform for launching meme coins, offering buyers the chance to discover promising new tokens. Join Whiteboard Invest as we explore the top 10 standout meme coins on this platform. Base Dogs is the best base blockchain meme coin with viral potential. Its unique character base jumps between blockchains like Ethereum, Binance, Solana, and Avalanche using wormhole and portal bridge technologies. Base Dogs leverages the growing Base blockchain, a hub for meme coins with over 7 million users and a combined market cap of $1.97 billion. The share-to-earn mechanism rewards users for sharing content on X, earning DDogs tokens for their engagement. The DDogs token started at 0.479, offering early birds the lowest price and staking rewards. The price increases every few days, now costing $0.055534. Check out the Base Dogs white paper to learn more about the project. Follow Base Dogs on X and join Base Dogs on Telegram for the latest updates. Breon Armstrong is one of the best meme coins on Base Chain, offering a unique deflationary mechanism. It stands out for being the first deflationary meme coin on Base, drawing attention with its fun, community-driven approach. It's designed to bring people together by unifying Base Chain enthusiasts and meme lovers. The Breon tokenomics are compelling, featuring a deflationary model enabled by UniV3 fees. This mechanism has led to 35 buybacks, burning 5.41% of the total supply. The roadmap includes listings on Poloniex and Coinbase, making it accessible for more users. The ease of swapping ETH for Breon and the potential for future growth make it a worthwhile addition to your portfolio. Base God is another one of the best meme coins on Base Chain, standing out as an internet culture gem. It unites the community under Big B, the Base God, promoting on-chain activities and spreading his commandments. The engaging narrative and community focus make it a unique and compelling choice. The tokenomics of TYBG are straightforward. With a supply of 125 billion tokens and no taxes, it ensures easy access and fair distribution. The launch with no pre-sale tokens or team allocation highlights Base God's commitment to its community. Being listed on various platforms makes it accessible for everyone. By becoming a disciple of B, you join a dedicated and vibrant community. Create a wallet, get some ETH, and swap for TYBG to embrace the Base God's path and contribute to the most based community on Base. You can buy it on Uniswap or SushiSwap. Toshi is based on a blue cat and aims to become the face of Base. Unlike other Base Chain meme tokens, Toshi is building long-term value for its holders. This includes a launchpad for new Base projects, a decentralized exchange for simple and private token swaps, a token launcher, and a liquidity locking feature. These use cases will attract new meme projects to Toshi, ensuring its native token generates organic demand. In addition, Toshi's socials, including X and Telegram, are very active. The developers regularly update token holders on key developments, ensuring trust and transparency at all times. Toshi launched in August 2023, so it has a head start over other Base meme projects. Launching at 0.0003567, Toshi has since hit all-time highs of coin data not available. Toshi has price change data not available for the specified period. By coin data not available in the last day. It has a market capitalization of $104 million, so there's plenty of room for growth once the next bull cycle arrives. Brett is a standout meme coin on the Base network, boasting a market cap of over $1.46 billion, the highest among Base meme coins, and the most token holders. Like Toshi, Brett aims to be the leading Base meme coin. Currently priced at 0.149, it has surged 30.86% in the last week. Brett is set to be a major player in the Base meme coin scene, with significant upside potential, especially as meme coins on other networks reach multi-billion-dollar valuations. Recently, Brett achieved a Tier 1 listing on Gate.io. Next on the list of Base Chain meme coins is Kanye West, a parody of Kanye West. While it doesn't offer value or utility for token holders, Kanye West still outperforms the broader meme coin market. Launched in late March 2023, Kanye West has seen an 82.48% decrease in the last year. Early buyers at $0.01821 have experienced significant growth. With a market cap of just $1.70 million, Coiny West is much smaller compared to Toshi, Brett, and other leading base meme coins. On social media, it has over 3,900 followers on X and a few hundred members in Telegram, with room for improvement. One of the best meme coins for small-cap investors is Byte. Capitalizing on the dog-themed trend, Byte follows in the footsteps of Dogecoin, Shiba Inu, and Floki. With an attractive entry price and solid tokenomics, Byte has more than 95% of its total supply in circulation and no transaction taxes. With a market cap of just $12.2 million, Byte has significant upside potential, attracting several whale investors. Launched in December 2023 at 0.0002499, Byte's current trading price of 0.149 reflects substantial gains for early backers. Byte is currently trading at a discount from its all-time high, providing an opportunity for first-time buyers. While many base chain meme coins focus on dogs, Mochi caters to cat meme coin enthusiasts. Named after Coinbase CEO Brian Armstrong's cat, Mochi aims to onboard over 1 billion people to the Base network. Funded by Coinbase and KYC'd by Coinbase, Mochi has been successful since its November 2023 launch. Launched at 0.0001816, Mochi now trades at 0.00133, reflecting significant growth. It hit an all-time high of 0.00809, so you can buy Mochi tokens at a discount. With a modest market cap of just over $13.7 million, Mochi offers potential for speculative investors. Based Shiba Inu is one of the newest base meme coins, launched in mid-March 2023. It follows the Shiba Inu narrative, but with a smaller token supply of just 10 billion BSHIB, and 100% of the supply has already been issued. With a market cap under $1 million, it's a promising small-cap gem. While based Shiba Inu doesn't have use cases, it focuses on building a community and gaining trust among base meme coin investors. Its Telegram group is growing, with nearly 5,000 members. DogInMe is a trending meme coin on the Base chain, inspired by a conversation with Farcaster founder Dan Romero. When asked about having a pet dog, Romero humorously responded that he has a dog in me. Although DogInMe isn't developing use cases, it has experienced significant growth, despite a recent pullback of 24.71% over the last month. Current buyers will enter at a $7 million valuation. With 100% of DogInMe tokens already issued and circulating, the DEX liquidity pool burned, the smart contract renounced, and no trading taxes, DogInMe offers favorable conditions for meme coin investors. If you know of any promising meme coins we haven't mentioned, feel free to let us know in the comments. If you're enjoying this content, please consider liking the video and subscribing to the channel. It only takes a moment, but it means a lot to me. You can also explore my other videos. Thank you for watching, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video.